Yes, Your Honor. The state's requesting bail in the amount of $50,000. The defendant has a significant criminal history out of the state of Washington, which includes a burglary and felony vehicular assault. He also has a number of what appear to be probation violations on his record. Given his out-of-state ties and the minimum sentence for the charges he's facing, Your Honor, the state believes he's a flight risk. Conditions requested are no contact with the victims or their mother, and that he be restrained from the address which he stated he's living at currently.
Ms. Moore?
Your Honor, Mr. Lucei would ask the court to consider a release on his own recognizance or a $1,000 bond. However, if the court chooses not to do either of those things, he would ask to be screened for pretrial supervision. The reasons he asks for these things is, as he stated, he is a student. He's a full-time student at SKC in Pablo. He's an A student in Tribal Historic Preservation. He has a cousin who lives in Elmo who he could stay with, so he would not need to return to the residence at the address he previously gave. He's been living here in Montana for 2 years, and again, he's a student, so he does have substantial ties to Montana that lessen his flight risk. So anyway, that's what we ask for, Your Honor.
I'm going to impose bond of $25,000. I'm controlled by the allegations and at least the information provided that there's been some probation violations in the past. That being said, I will allow Mr. Lucei to be screened for pretrial supervision.